And you want to feel like your left knee or your right knee, whichever leg you're going down on, is not buckling in. That's where you're going to get the kind of awkward look. It's going to look messy. What's cracking, Jump Nation family? It's your boy here, Rushi S, aka the Jump Rope Coach. Welcome back to the home of jump rope fitness and lifestyle people. Today we have a very quick 2-minute tutorial. It's not Tuesday, but we'll get it up on a Thursday or Friday if you're watching this. But it's going to be a very cool tutorial, guys, to show you guys how to go into your lunge jumps with just the fire double under cross move, right? The Mayweather style double under cross move. So if you don't know what I'm talking about, I'm going to show you this move in 3, 2, 1. Check this out. Yes, peeps, hopefully you agree that is an absolute fire, bossy transition, skipping move. We're gonna get straight into this tutorial, right? Gonna cut through all the mess, hit the subscribe button, check out our ropes, links all down below. If you're new to the channel, mats, merch, we got you covered. I wanna get you guys skipping like a boss, as always, right? So this is how we're gonna get into this move, right, people? We're gonna do 2 moves together, double under cross, straight into lunge jumps. Now, again, it's an advanced tutorial, okay? So you need to learn how to obviously do the double under cross. I've got loads of tutorials on that. And you need to know how to do the lunge jumps. I'm gonna show you those 2 moves separately right now. So your double under cross should look like this. This is the double under, I guess, Mayweather style cross. So it goes like this. Okay, double under cross, Mayweather style. From there, we're gonna go straight into the lunge jumps, okay? Now, the difficulty of this move is all about the balance and the coordination, right? How are you gonna finish this cross and then jump down or drop down into this lunge jump? So this is how I'm gonna share it with you. As you do this move, people, right, I want you to try and figure out, obviously, the side that feels comfortable, that you're gonna go for the first side swing. So when you come to doing lunge jumps, it all comes through with the side swing, okay? So second part of the move would be the lunge jump. So for me, it's kind of like left, right, open, left, right, open. As you come to doing the open, that's when you switch legs for your lunge jump. That's when you do the plyometric spring up and then spring down. So for me, when I'm doing this move now, it's double under cross and I'm going straight to my left hand side. So you're gonna have to figure out whether it's the right that feels more comfortable for you. So showing this again, we're gonna have loads of slow motions, by the way, as I talk through this, but that's how I do it. So let these slow motions run while I talk you through this. What I'm thinking about here is, as I finish this double under cross, I'm thinking about going to my left hand side with both my hands, and now I'm coming down. And the main thought I'm having is balance. When you finish that cross, you're in midair, you're quite high, but the rope's moving really quickly. You need to now crouch, and you want to feel like your left knee or your right knee, whichever leg you're going down on, is not buckling in. That's where you're going to get the kind of awkward look. It's going to look messy. You want to feel like this knee is either very forward or just a bit outwards. You're facing it outwards. It's going to protect your knees, going to protect your joints. You're going to do the move correctly, and it's going to look super slick. So when I'm coming down, when that move is kind of dropping down now, the right leg for me is the foot, or the kind of main component on keeping stable. If you keep both legs too straight on that first jump, you're going to be off balance, right? So feel like the back leg comes out away from your body. You should see some daylight between your legs. And I'm happy for you to basically bring that right leg a little bit in if you need to, or a little bit out to give you a bit more stability. But when you're doing your lunge, you're trying to focus again on activating your quads, your glutes, your hamstrings, everything, your calves. So this is how it should look now. Boom. Okay, show you that one more time. Okay, second component of the move is when you now finish the cross, right? So when you finish this bit, as you come to opening the rope, so you finish the cross, you come to opening the rope, give it a lot of wrist action, a lot of whip, to then get the rope around your body to that side swing. It's just gonna make it look nice. If you do it too slowly, you're gonna likely to trip. So get the whip, you see, so there's The sound of the rope, you can see it whipping, and then you go down and you control left, right, open for me, or right, left, open for you. Don't feel like you need to do it too quick, the lunge, all right? You've already done the fast stuff beforehand. You're just transitioning into the lunge jump. So, I mean, every time, guys, every time I talk you through tutorials, it's about balance, timing, all right? Speed is not the issue here. We're not trying to go fast. We're trying to control it. In an actual kind of perfect world, you do want your double under crossovers to be fast, because obviously it's quite hard to do it slow, but it's a naturally fast move. You want to learn how to manipulate this rope, so now your lunge jumps can look really nice and controlled. You don't want everything going a million miles an hour. Right, so to wrap it up, guys, speed control is everything, right? Up, down, up, down. That's what your speed graph should look like. Your double under crosses should be looking nice, slick, will be probably quick, obviously, difficult move, and then you want to control that speed, bring it down into the lunges, and you can mix it in a little combo, make it look nice and slick. You can maybe add a little run. And then come out of the move how you want, but it's all about the transition, okay? Hopefully the slow motions helped you. It's all about manipulating the rope, the speed of the rope, and your body and your posture, okay? Don't be off balance. Don't feel like, you know, you're bending over with those lunges. It's a very key point here. When you're doing your lunges, keep the back straight, right? Nice straight back, knees facing out, not buckling in. And that's it, man. Really nice, cool, quick and easy transition, especially for people who are intermediate to advanced. If you're a beginner out there, people just take your time with everything, right? Learn the moves block by block, learn the double under cross, then the lunge, then you can start to piece it together, right? It doesn't come overnight, it's a journey. So enjoy the slaps, enjoy the whips, and you'll get there very, very soon. So peeps, hope you enjoyed the quick tutorial. Love you as always. I'll see you for another fire one very soon. So without further ado, take care of yourself, skip the treadmill, stay safe. Peace.
Was the knight in shining armor in your movie? Would put your lips on mine and love the aftertaste now.